Excited, Laurie flew about to get ready and tidy his room. A little later, there was a loud ring followed by quick footsteps. Then, there was a knock on his door and Jo appeared. She was carrying a covered dish in one hand and three kittens in the other. So, Laurie was very excited as he finally had a guest at his house. So, he ran around in great hurry, quickly changed his clothes and he cleaned his room. A little later, after few minutes, he heard the bell ringing and someone climbing the door followed by footsteps. Then he went near the door, opened the door. What he saw? He saw it was Jo, and she was carrying dish that was covered in one hand and three kittens in the other. Here I am, she said briskly. Mother sent her love. Meg sent some of her delicious blanc, and Beth thought her cats would be comforting. I knew you would laugh at them, but I couldn't refuse. Here, she was very happy to visit the mansion and she spoke, Here I am, with a lot of energy. Then she said, Dad, my mother has sent you lots of love. One of my sister named Meg, she has sent a delicious dish, blancmange. It is a sweet dish made with corn flour, sugar and milk. And the other sister named Beth has sent three kittens as she thought it would be comforting for you. You will be happy. Then after looking at the kittens, she said that I know you would laugh at them as it was obviously very strange thing that she has brought kittens. She said that yes, it is very strange, but I couldn't refuse my sister. The kittens turned out to be just the thing as Laurie started laughing over them and soon grew cheerful. So, bringing the kittens was very good because after looking at the kittens, he started laughing, he was joyful and he was very happy. That looks too pretty to eat, he said, smiling as Jo showed him the blancmange. When Jo opened the container of dish, Laurie said, The dish looks very nice and delicious to eat. Jo said, Yes, it is very delicious and it is very soft because I know you have sore, that means painful throat, and if you eat this, it will slip down without hurting your throat. How kind you are, said Laurie. Now please take the big chair and let me do something to entertain you. Laurie thanked Jo and said, You are so kind. It is nice of you that you remembered. I am suffering from bad cold and my throat was not good. Then Laurie asked Jo to take a chair and sit while he wanted to entertain her. Entertain means to do something to make a guest enjoy themselves. No, you should rest. Shall I read to you? Asked Jo, looking at some books nearby. I have read all of them, and if you don't mind, I would like to talk, answered Laurie. So, Jo replied that no need to do such things. She said, You just take rest as you are not well. She saw some books in the room and she asked Laurie, Shall I read some books to you? Laurie said, No, I have read all the books. You just sit and talk as I just want someone to talk to me. Jo replied, Not a bit. Beth says, I keep talking all day and never know when to stop. Is Beth the rosy one who sometimes goes out with a little basket? Asked Laurie with interest. When Laurie said Joe to talk with him, then Joe replied that no, she cannot talk to him as her sister Beth says that I talk too much. Who talks too much? Joe talks too much and she doesn't know when to stop once she started talking. Then Laurie asked, is Beth the rosy one? I have seen her sometimes with a basket in her hand going out. Is she your sister, Beth? He was interested to know about her sister too.